Hey, it's Alex, the CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. And we're here at SEMA 2019 covering all the coolest new products. Now, if you've got a Colorado or a Camaro with a 3.6 liter V6 in it and you're looking for a little bit more power, well, Edelbrock's got a new product for you this year. It's the R1740 TVS Supercharger Kit. It retails at $49.99 and it's going to bump 80 horsepower and 40 foot-pounds of torque on your V6. And this is a direct bolt-on replacement, and that's going to give you a total of 376 wheel horsepower. So if you're ready to shop for that R1740 TVS Supercharger or any other products, check out the Motoroso marketplace at Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping's always free with no minimum.